Okay guys, Prado 250 SSM for JMACX Off-Road Solutions is approved. So what we've done is we've created a GVM of 3,800 kilos for the Prado 250. Now, options on that, we have from a 2-inch lift up to a 3-inch lift, and from a 285 up to a 35-inch tire. So tire options all there. The other side of it is we've completed full ESC robotic testing for post-rego approval as well. So providing, depending on your state, ESC testing is required for a bigger lift and bigger tires. JMACX have all that done. Now, the other thing that we do offer on this is we have full LS16 GCM testing approved. So you will have GCM options. So there's going to be options in there with the recalibration and the transcooler for the GCM. Now we've done full testing under LS16. So that means we've done it under Australian conditions. We're not claiming anything that's not approved here and been certified here. So if you want GCM, you can option it. If you want to come back and get GCM later, you can option it. However, bigger lift, bigger tires, all approved. We have flare options available as well. I think the big thing with this Prado is also that we've also created not just the Alpha 2.5 with the in-cab adjustable shocks or manuals, we've also created a 2.0 option. So there's a more economical option when it comes to shock absorbers. Still a JMACX manufactured shock, high quality, but a 2.0. So for those of you that go, I don't really need to go to that high end of shock absorber, we have another option. We also have diff drops coming in shortly for the Prado, which no one else has at the moment. There's a big difference in that Prado diff drop, unlike any other vehicle at the moment with those diff drops. So keep an eye out on our socials for diff drops coming up for sale as well. But when it comes to GVMs, these things are ready to go, and so you'll be able to reach out to our facilities and everything will be there ready to roll. So if you're interested in a Prado 250 GVM upgrade that has been tested for that pre and post-rego space with all of the options and availability for it, contact JMACX HQ or one of our facilities.